Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a scenario outline in Cucumber using Java. Let's start by looking at the test directory. Under the Java folder, I have HelloCucumber package with 2 Java classes. And under the resources folder, I have a HelloCucumber package with 1 feature file. Next, let's look at the feature file. On line 1, I have the name of the feature, and on line 2, I have the feature summary. On line 4, I'm defining the scenario outline with 3 steps: given, when, and then. Finally, on line 9, I'm defining the examples. For day of Friday, I'm expecting an answer of TGIF. For Sunday, I'm expecting nope. And for anything else, I'm expecting nope as well. Now let's look at the step definitions. On line 12, I'm defining the @given annotation where I'm storing the value of today in the today variable. On line 17, I'm defining the @when annotation where I'm storing the value of actual answer, which is coming from isItFriday static method. Finally, on line 22, I'm defining the @then annotation where I'm asserting whether the expected answer is equal to actual answer or not. Next, to execute this scenario, right-click on the feature file and hit Run. As you can see, all 3 scenarios passed as expected. To export the test results in an HTML file, hit the Export Test Results button. Now watch what happens if I change the "thank God it's Friday" value to nope and re-execute the feature file. This time, one of the scenarios failed because of the assertion failed error. The expected value was nope, but TGIF was found. We should see the failure in the exported test results file as well. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.